Hey everyone, today I'm giving you a tour of the Alamo Inn & Suites.
Alamo Inn & Suites is located at 1140 West Catella Avenue in Anaheim. It is about 1.1 miles or a 22-minute walk to the turnstiles at Disneyland. It is rated number 85 out of 128 hotels on TripAdvisor at the time of filming. There is on-site laundry in the pool area and there is an enclosed spa.
I booked a 2-queen room, and first thing when I got into this hotel, I was blown away. Saw pictures online and the pictures are all over the place, but this room looks like it was renovated within the last few years. Everything is well done. I really love the amount of lighting in the room here. It's a perfect amount. It's not too bright, not too dark. There is no safe in this room, and if you have some valuables, make sure you bring locks for your suitcase to protect them. What is nice about this room, and they give you a nice chair here to sit in when you're relaxing and you're back from the park. Also, this area can double as an area to store a pack and play or scooters or strollers. When staying in this room, you will want to bring your own charging blocks for phones and other accessories. There are 2 outlets here, but there are no USBs in this room. This work area here is great for a laptop. There are 2 outlets right here that you can plug into. Once again, no USBs. There is a quartz countertop up here. There is a coffee pot here, microwave, and refrigerator. When I came into the room, everything is unplugged for power saving reasons, so you must plug them in to use them. There is a full-length mirror right here, which is really nice to get ready in the morning. Right here is another area where you can put a stroller or you can put a pack and play. It will be tight here, but there is room. There's a wardrobe area here, and it looks like it's cedar, and what I like is there's a luggage rack right here, there's hangers, and there's even a light within the wardrobe itself. The sink in this motel is separate from the tub shower toilet combination, which is good when you get ready in the morning. And what I like is this countertop is quartz. It just adds a nice higher end element to this motel. This bathroom has a tub shower combination and the toilet is right behind me. The shower head stands about 6'2", 6'3". There is a hook here and there's a fan in here, if you can hear it through the microphone. 2 overhead lights that are directly above the toilet here. The shower tub area is slightly dark, but shouldn't give you any issues. Once again, I'm blown away at the quality of renovation in this motel. These motels have stepped up their game to compete against the newer hotels. They offer great lodging at an affordable rate. If you want to check out a similar motel, go ahead and click the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.